Today we will be showing you how to replace a fan tray assembly in a Juniper EX Series line card style network switch. This video does not apply to non-line card style switches. We have a separate video for that fan tray replacement procedure. To begin, you will need to determine if you have single or multiple fan trays. Smaller line card machines, such as the EX6210 and the EX8208, only have a single fan tray. Larger line card machines, like the EX8216, have two fan trays. If you have multiple fan trays, you must use the CLI and the command shown on screen to determine which one is faulty. Once you have determined which fan tray is faulty, it can be removed from the system. There are a couple different styles of fan tray in line card style machines. Some have captive screws, and some have lift latches. Use whatever method applies to your machine to undo and remove the fan from the chassis. Slide the replacement fan in and secure it, again using whatever method applies to your switch model. Check the CLI using the command shown on screen to ensure all fans are now in a healthy and okay state. The replacement is now complete. If you have any issues with your fan tray replacement, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.